Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to change your Instagram password? In this video, I'll show you how you can do that. Let's go. Changing or updating your password is easy if you still have access to your account and you know the current password. If you have forgotten your password, I have a video that explains the steps to recover the Instagram account and change the password. To watch that video, click on the tag in the top right corner or have a look at the link in the video description below. On Instagram, tap on the profile icon to open your profile. Then click on the three bars in the top right corner and select Settings. Then tap Security and choose Password. Now just type in your current password. Then input your new password twice. Tap Save to confirm and your password will be changed. Now you can log in using your new password. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.